Pawtucket, and welcome to episode 2 of Cooking with Our Community. Today we have a special guest with us from Agnes Little Elementary. Her name is Emily Mallozzi, and she is the Community School Coordinator.
Hi, thanks for having me. I'm really excited to be here and be in the kitchen where you cook thousands of meals for Pawtucket students every day.
Thanks for coming. You've always been a big partner for the food service program and an advocate for everything we do, so we appreciate you joining us. So, let's see what we have for lunch today.
All right.
Those of you that came out to get your distance learning meals, open them right up. Again, we just wanted to give you the opportunity to cook at home in a different way. We're going to give you a nice flatbread pizza for today. So, for a side, you have your apple slices, a little flatbread for your pizza, which we'll get to in a second, marinara sauce for your pizza, a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Now we gave you an assortment of toppings. Myself, I like pepperoni on mine. Emily, how about you?
I actually really like black olives, so I'm excited these are in there.
Excellent. So we went with Emily's favorite, black olives. Now, for those of you that want to get creative, we also have some pineapple chunks. Put those on your pizza if you feel like getting creative. Hawaiian style is what they like to call. If you have pineapple ham at home, that's what you can make with that. So, let's get to work. So first thing you want to do is, again, make sure you have your parents' consent and permission and guidance at home when doing these. You're going to want to have them help you cook in the kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 400 degrees. All right. So we got that going there. We're going to open up our flatbread. Emily beat me to it. Nice job.
I'm better at you than that.
So you want to take, if you have a sheet pan at home, lay that out there. So we're just going to lay out our flatbreads. Open up our marinara sauce.
These are so convenient.
They are. Good portion for us. So we have spoons to help us spread the marinara. We're going to lay that right out on our flatbreads. And it's all about, if you don't like as much sauce, I don't know about you, Emily, but I'm more of a cheese guy than a sauce guy. Some people like a lot of sauce, but however you feel like doing that at home and what you're comfortable with and what your taste buds are feeling, go right ahead. So, good job. Yours looks nice.
Oh, thank you.
All right, so once the marinara is spread there, we're going to do our cheese. You can open that up and you can pour that all right in the center, and then we can spread that.
All right. Oh, yeah, a lot of cheese too.
A lot of cheese.
Use it all.
Just to my liking. All right, so I'm going to go, like I said, with the pepperoni. I know that's a favorite of our elementary level students here in Pawtucket.
I'm going to do black olives only.
All right.
I don't like black olives on anything else but pizza, so if you haven't tried black olives before, give it a shot on your pizza. It's good.
There you go. You heard it from Emily. You just spread those out on the pizza, however you'd like. Make a nice design if you know, smiley face, whatever makes you happy at home.
That's a good idea.
So there we go. Evenly distributed. All right, you got your pizza there. I'll show you mine.
There's mine.
Right on the sheet pan. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven. While we do this, why don't you take a look? We're going to show you our updated distance learning sites and times effective February 1st with the return to in-person learning. And we'll be back shortly. So you're just going to cook these pizzas in the oven, Emily, for 8 to 10 minutes, however you'd like them cooked. While we're waiting for that, I do have a joke for you for our Cooking with Our Community. You ready?
All right, I'm ready.
Why does the mushroom always get invited to the party?
Why?
Because he's always such a fun guy. All right, with that being said, we're going to let these cook a little while longer. We're going to take you to another slide. Just check this information out. Starting February 1st, we're going to be serving distance learning meals 3 days a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All the information is going to be what you have here, and then the district's going to be sending out a robocall as well. So just take a look at this, and we'll get our pizzas out of the oven when we come back. right, so thanks for taking a look at that information. Our pizzas are done, so we're going to go ahead and get them out of the oven. Emily?
Oh, well, make sure that you have a parent help you take the hot pan out of the oven and work the oven.
All right, so Emily's got her black olive pizza there. I'm going to shut the oven off. I've got my pepperoni. We're going to unmask. Everybody knows we wear our masks in the kitchen with everything going on. We're going to unmask just to take a quick bite of our pizzas and see how they are. Cheese is nicely melted on mine.
Oh, looks awesome. Look at that. Oh, that's delicious.
That's a good pizza. Is this something you'd enjoy cooking at home with your kids and family?
Definitely. It was fun to make for the kids. It was easy and it's delicious.
Excellent. Well, I'm happy to hear that. This concludes episode 2 of Cooking with Our Community. We hope you enjoyed it. Again, pay attention to the information about our distance learning meal changes. And we have a special guest again for episode 3 coming up. Her name is Dr. Ash. She is the principal of Shea High School. So we hope to see you then, and have a good week.
Bye. Thanks for having me.
Thanks.